Atomians, welcome back. With last video, we have gone through the do's and don'ts to be followed in the education center and by the education center leader. So today I will explain about online application process of Atomy India Education Center. Every application which has been submitted will be evaluated by Atomy India, and accordingly the applications will be approved, rejected or request for modifications. If the application has been rejected, the applicant would not be able to resubmit the application forever. There are 8 stages of application process. Stage 1, first evaluation. Stage 2, online examination. Stage 3, telephonic round. Stage 4, video presentation. Stage 5, letter of intent. Stage 6, second evaluation. Stage 7, agreement. Stage 8, award certificate. So now we will explain about application process. There are 8 stages of application process. Stage 1, first evaluation. There are 5 sub-stages. Stage 1, check and verify the applicant details. Stage 2, give consent for the pre-authorized conditions. Stage 3, fill the proposed education center details. Stage 4, give consent for the facility requirement. Stage 5, give consent for infrastructure requirement. With that, applicant need to submit NOC if the proposed education center is less than 0.5 km from the existing education center, as well as Royal Club member guarantee and sponsor letter also required to be uploaded. Next is stage 2, online examination. In online examination, there are 5 set of random questions which need to be answered. The categories of the questions are as follows: company profile, product and the compensation plan. Now I will explain about stage 3, telephonic round. Atomy India will contact the applicant and evaluate different aspects of application. Next stage 4 is video presentation. The applicant required to upload a video of 4 to 5 minutes in Hindi or English, less than 400 MB of file size, which should consist of introduction of Atomy in 1 minute, 2 Atomy products introduction in 1 minute each, Atomy compensation plan in 1 minute, and motivation to become education center leader in 1 minute. Next is stage 5, letter of intent. Letter of intent contains terms and conditions and establishment of the education center need to be completed within 4 months from the date of issue of LOI. Now we'll explain about stage 6, second evaluation. In second evaluation, there are 3 sub-stages. Stage 1, upload leased or owned property documents. Stage 2, give consent for obtaining FSI license. Stage 3, upload interior, exterior and entrance photograph of the education center. List of minimum 500 distributors to be associated with the proposed education center. Consent letter for minimum 100 distributors to be associated with the proposed education center to be uploaded in the application. And next, stage 7, agreement. At this stage, agreement will be generated. Education center leader needs to comply with agreement's terms and conditions all the time during the period of agreement. And the last and 8th stage is award certificate. At this stage, certificate will be awarded to the education center, which need to be displayed inside the education center all the time. Disclaimer: additional documents may require to be provided by the applicant as per the state and union territory government rules and regulations. So today we have gone through all the 8 stages of application process. Please follow us on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram and BAND. Once again, thank you so much. Stay tuned. Bye-bye.